Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name's John, if you didn't know that already. Today is going to be an interesting one because I have got a package here from GoPro, and I am a diver by nature and by heart. I love the ocean, as I said in one of my previous videos. Check out my website if you're interested in anything to do with ocean conservation. I sell a few things that sort of put my money towards that and support local artists as well. Link will be in the description. But aside from that, so this GoPro package has the underwater housing for the GoPro Hero 10, and I got the red filters for underwater. Unboxing. It says tear here, it told me to tear. Don't judge me because I teared. First things first, because I'm not talking about it all except for this one moment, I got a surfboard mount because I surf. I'm an ocean guy, okay? Sue me. Then we've got, holy crap, PolarPro, which are not actually GoPro? I don't know. Yeah, maybe they're not. They're really big. They're huge. Why are they so big? Look at that. You probably just see my camera in there. You can't really see the actual things, but I'll try and pull them out. Then we've got the housing. I'm not gonna bother opening up the rest of the stuff. We're just gonna take a look at the filters today. And I had no idea that they weren't from GoPro, or at least I don't think they are. It says PolarPro on them, and if it was from GoPro, it would have had their signature packaging on it, and it doesn't. Okay, already a fan of the recyclable paper cardboard cover, like back bit, whatever it is. Not back bit. Packaging, jeez. I don't know what I'm saying. All right, so we've got lanyards, tiny string lanyards, one for each of them. Thank you. One cleaning cloth, useful. And here they are, in what they look like makeup palettes. So this is now a makeup tutorial, and I'm gonna show you how to get the best shade of magenta on your cheeks when you want to impress a guy. Okay? We'll be right back. Okay, I was joking before, but it actually looks like a makeup palette. Look at this. It literally opens like one. Has some magnets, that's nice. That's the packaging. And yeah, so you just take your makeup brush and you just, I'm kidding. I'll pull one out, I guess, and we can have a look at it. So you can see me in another color here. Tinting. And it says the name of it, I don't know if you can see that, but it says the name of it on the edge there. This one's Snorkel. Probably can't see it, it's really, really small. Then there's one that's called Magenta, which is in the middle, and then there's Red. And there's like a soft, like squishy packaging sort of material in here that obviously stays there, and they sort of suction into when you pull in and out. So, whoa. See that? So it slides and sticks right into that hole there. So that's kind of it for this video. I didn't really have anywhere else to go with it except for showing you guys the unboxing. I obviously can't use them properly because I'm not snorkeling and I'm not going snorkeling, not in a few days. So yeah, I don't have the capacity at the moment. It's kind of cold here to go and snorkel. So we'll leave it at that for now. If you follow my Instagram, you will eventually see some footage with this, because in October, as I said in one of my previous videos, if you follow me at all, that I'm going to Townsville. Well, I said I was flying domestically. Now you know where I'm going. So please, no stalkers. And I'm going to be going on a liveaboard. So I'm going to be diving and using my GoPro to film. I'll be using this, and that's why I got these, and that's why I got the case. So I'll see you on my Instagram if you're interested in that. Anyway, that'll be the end of this video. Catch you guys in my next one. See ya.